Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a dropshipping site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the easiest way to create a dropshipping site on Squarespace is to actually select a storefront template when you're creating your site and go on from there and create your own storefront. Now, to do so successfully, you're going to need to connect a couple of different things. You're going to need to actually add your products and services and connect your products from other dropshipping sources. Since Squarespace itself is not a dropshipping service, you're going to need to connect the products to different sellers which you use, which will then connect back to you. You also need to set up your payment methods by going into the settings and going into payments, and then going into billing, or creating your payment information first so that you can actually pay for a paid plan. You also go into selling and set up everything here, such as the business information, payments, etc., and you're going to need to do a lot of that. And to actually create everything that you need for dropshipping, you're going to be using a third-party tool which is called Spocket, which you can just easily install. You just need to connect it to your site. Just click on connect to site and it's going to be readily available to you. And as you can see, just select whichever one you want, click allow, and once that's done, you're going to be able to use Spocket. So just name yourself whatever you want, create a new account on Spocket as well, and you can use that as well. Now, I would recommend other sort of services such as Wix or Shopify, since they do allow better integration for dropshipping services. However, Squarespace is just good enough pretty much, so you can use it there. You can also embed other things in your site, such as if I go into edit, this is for a blog that I have posted, but if you go and edit your pages, you will then be able to embed other links into that link to your dropshipping services on other parts of the site as well. And yeah, that's basically it. The reason I didn't show you anything specifically is because I don't do dropshipping. I don't have any dropshipping accounts, and this is pretty much just a proof of concept and a sort of guide as to where you need to look for to actually create a dropshipping site. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.